Hello guys and welcome to my channel ProgTech. In this movie we learn about the MVC architecture of the Laravel 9. Laravel 9 support the MVC architecture as in PHP. In PHP we write the PHP code with the HTML or also send the logics or send to other page or sending the path means that everything are in one file or one page. We write everything on a single page or a single file. But uh, but Laravel 9 support the MVC architecture means that in this our view part, our database and the things that connect the database with the and the thing that connect the database with our controller or with the view is the controller and these are the MVC basically framework. Now we have a study about the MVC framework. MVC means that model, view and the controller, and the fourth thing is the routing. Now we discussed in details. The routing is basically the path or the link by which we can access our controller, and controller have the access to access the and have the link to access the model. And in model we have the database or means that our database is connected with the model and our tables or are connected with the our model, and the model is connected to the controller and controller is connected to the routing and vice versa means that connected with the controller and controller routing means in simple words if I can say that you have to connect your database with your model, and then this model or this database used by the help of controller. Now the every code or the PHP code that write in the controller can be accessed or can be used by the help of the routing or the link that we write in the routes. And now this is our view part. View part means that our simple HTML or CSS means that our simple structure or front end page, if I can say in the simple words, the front end page. This front end page can also be accessed by the help of the controller, and the its view code and in access we write the code in our controller and we use directly the Google mean that everything that show in the front of the web page is basically the view. When we request from the Google in order to open the page, then Google request to the routing, and now routes go to the controller go to the model, and then model go to the database in order to fetch the data. Then in this way our Google show us the result. This is basically the MVC architecture. uh, I think that you can't understand by the MVC architecture, but hopefully you can understand with the MVC architecture when we are going to code with the in MVC architecture, and when we are write any code in our Laravel, then hopefully you can understand by this architecture. So thank you so much for watching my video. This is the simple, understandable, and architecture of the MVC. Thank you so much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.